Good morning from the Westman Islands. Just wanted to show you the cute little town here. We have a hostel and got restaurant, and then our guest house is that red one right there. That's where we stayed. Surprisingly, it's almost 9 o'clock in the morning and the whole town is still like so quiet and deserted. I think everyone here in Iceland stays up really late because the sun is out and then they sleep in. But it's super cute little town. We got the views of the mountains. That's the one we hiked yesterday. And we're gonna go get on the ferry and go back to the mainland today and see some more waterfalls. Oh, and another thing I wanted to point out was the whole town smells like fish because fishing is the biggest industry here. So I love the smell of dead fish in the morning. So the cool thing about Iceland is you'll just be driving down the road and there'll be waterfalls everywhere. Literally, I don't think you can drive for very long without seeing a scene like this. Damn. Like this whole area is just a whole big like plateau and there's waterfalls coming off of everything. It's amazing. So right behind me is the Itinerary. This was the, I'm gonna just butcher every name when I'm in Iceland. Anyways, this was the volcano that erupted in 2010 and basically a lot of airplanes in Europe had to be canceled and no one could really get in or out of Iceland for a while. And that's because of that volcano right there. We are at the Skóga Museum. It's an open air museum showing all the cool turf houses and how they used to live here in Iceland back in the olden days. We're just going to explore the inside of these cool little places. Are going to the Kvernafoss, and Kvernafoss is right by Skógafoss, but no one knows about it. It's still a secret. It's not sign marked. You have to find out where it is on maps.me and go and check it out. We just scaled that ladder. Now we're gonna walk. This should only be about maybe a half a mile walk, so it'll only be like 20 minutes and hold to get there. We'll find out, but we're gonna go see some secret falls. There's actually a few people here, but not anything like Skógafoss. So yeah, just beautiful waterfall, a couple of people, it's in this amazing canyon that you hike back to. Woo! Misty! refreshing. So that's the Kvernafoss waterfalls. Pretty beautiful. Not so secret, but there's only a few people here, so it's totally worth the hike. And I think it only took us like 10-20 minutes to get here. It's just a little fast and easy hike. Bring a picnic or some wine and enjoy. Okay, we are here at the Skógafoss. We are going to hike up those stairs and into the back. This hike is called the Fimmvorduhals hike. My favorite spot so far. We got a rainbow. Okay, we're at the Skógafoss and there's a double rainbow and it's like a perfect double rainbow. Check it out. Ah! I'm going to go run into the rainbow. Let's see if we can find the leprechaun in the pot of gold. Yes! Ah! Look at it, it's a perfect circle rainbow! Perfect circle rainbow! Woo! I'm drenched! The great thing about coming to Iceland during the summer solstice is that there's 24 hours of light. Right now, it's 10 o'clock and the sun's still up. It's like lemon light and we're visiting the Black Sand Beach and the basalt columns here. It's super beautiful. Got some beautiful lighting and we're gonna go check it out. Is the rocks, the color of them, the smoothness of them amazing, but the hills up here are made of basalt and super amazing rock formations. There's all these like twisted columns and it looks like kind of like a gateway to another dimension or maybe like a gateway to hell. I don't know. It's crazy looking. It's really beautiful. saw those pictures